Let me see what is in that. After that tunnel, they have some greenhouse type of thing there. What is that? Well, this is little tiny greenhouse for our garden. Not really a greenhouse, it's just some plastic bag wrap. What is that in there? Let me look at them. Check them out. See if I can get in there. Whoa, look at those. Some plants in there. Wow, it's warm here, so warm. Wow, that is a warm house, not a greenhouse. You see what is it? It's figs. Yeah, figs is in North America, Massachusetts. It's not enough heat for that. Not long season for the figs. So I gotta put that down to make it warmer, longer season. Hopefully you see a few figs in here, but hopefully we can have that. So last year we have quite a few, probably a few hundred of them. Hopefully this year we have some, but not as many as last year. All right.